let's chat about how to design your space without breaking the bank. Hey amazing moms, let's have an open conversation about something that affects many of us, and that is tight budgets. But here's the good news. Your home can be both beautiful and budget friendly. Only thing is that you need to follow a certain tips. Tip number 1. Thrift store treasures. Explore thrift stores for unique finds that add character to your space. From vintage furniture to quirky decor, you'll be amazed at the gems you can discover without denting your wallet. Tip number 2. DIY decor delight. Get your creative juices flowing with some fun and easy DIY projects. Personalized wall art, custom throw pillows, or repurposing old furniture can breathe new life into your home without the hefty price tag. Tip number 3. Adopt smart shopping strategies. Timing is everything. Keep an eye out for sales, discounts, and clearance items. Patience pays off, and you can snag quality pieces at the fraction of the cost. Let's make your home a haven without the stress. Share your budget-friendly design challenges or tips in the comments below, and let's build a supportive community together.